Hi guys, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve it's not working on your device on Shein. To know how to fix or how to solve it's not working on Shein on your device on Shein app, you should just go to settings. Then you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here you can go to Shein and you will enter in this window. Here you can click on force stop and you can click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Here you can click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause the errors or can delete your account. In the end, you can turn off your Wi-Fi and you can turn on your Wi-Fi again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.